Okay, good morning. We are going to see about Power BI today. So, before getting into Power BI, let's see what is BI first, right? So, what is BI? BI means it's business intelligence, right? What is business intelligence? Business intelligence is actually set of technologies, methods, and processes for analyzing the data and visualizing the data and digging the data, then finally taking the insights out of it. Okay, why we have to go for business intelligence? Why we have to dig the data? Wherever you go today, you have a huge amount of data, right? Whether you go for a commercial places or you go for educational institutions or medical areas, wherever you go, you are storing all your data in a data store, which is having a huge amount of data. Why we have to dig this data? Because if you dig the data and if you analyze the data, you can easily frame the strategies, okay, and you can take good decisions, and you can identify the current trends, and you can increase the performance of the customers, and you can predict what may happen in the future. Okay, that's why we people are storing huge amount of data in different data sources, and we are digging the data, analyzing the data, finally we are visualizing the data, and then we are converting the insights into actions. Okay, then what may be the final output of this BI? Increasing the profit. Okay, so we do all these things under business intelligence. Now the data size is not in MB or GB or even TB. It is going beyond peta size, right? Petabyte. So when you dig the huge amount of data, the manual methods are going useless. So you have to depend only on the technology. So in the market, in the software industry, the people have provided so many software tools for supporting Power BI. Okay, one of such popular and widely used Power BI tool is, your software tool is Power BI. Okay, and this Power BI is from Microsoft company, and a product from Microsoft will always be very easy to use and will have high features. In the same way, among all your existing data analytics platforms, this Power BI is leading one, right? So that is what we are going to see about today. So this Power BI is a data analytics platform. It is to dig, analyze and visualize data in two different infrastructure. One is you can use Power BI for analyzing your local data. Because your local files may be in your local machine, you can apply Power BI for analyzing your own data which is available in the local database, right? Or you can use Power BI for analyzing huge amount of data which has been stored in a different cloud-based servers. So in both the modes, you can use Power BI, right? So what is the main purpose of Power BI? Is to analyze, visualize, not only analyze and visualize, but also for sharing the data. Next we are going to see about the features of Power BI. Okay, why Power BI is widely used, why it is a leading analytics tool in an industry, because of these factors. One is it supports a wide data connectivity. It means you can connect different kinds of data sources with Power BI. Okay, it's ranging from a small Excel file, you can connect PDF, and you can connect CSV file, and you can connect one JSON file. Okay, it will support all these local kind of files, and it also supports big databases like Oracle and SQL Server, MySQL, etc. Not only that, but also it is supporting your cloud services. Say for example, Salesforce, and Google Analytics, then Windows Azure from the same Microsoft company. So it supports a wide range of data connectivity. That is its big strength of Power BI. Okay, and the next one is query editor. So when you dig the data, you have to do different kind of steps. One is you have to collect the data, you have to store the data into the data store, then you have to extract what you want to analyze, then you have to clean it, then you have to transform all your recorded data into a common format, you have to remove unwanted one. Okay, likewise you have to reshape your data, you have to make your data ready for analysis. Okay, and that you can do very easily with Power Query Editor. And next is some columns can be calculated automatically. Say for example, if you have stored your date of birth in a column, you can easily find out age. You need not to store age in a separate column. Okay, if you have date of birth, you can easily find out what may be the age of that particular person today. Okay, that you can automatically do with the help of expressions. That is what is called the data analysis expressions. Okay, and next is very interactive visualizations. You are digging huge amount of data, and the answer will not be very easy to read, it will not be easy to understand, even you cannot present everything in one page to look up, it's very tough to understand the results. Okay, so how to present the results in a very interactive way using charts, maps and tree maps, very different kind of interactive boards are there. You can present everything in a dashboard, or you can present reports. Okay, so that all you can do with interactive visualization features which are available in Power BI. And next is creating dashboards, right? What is an example of dashboard? What is dashboard actually? What is a report? A report means it's a collection of visuals. Okay, and the dashboard is collection of reports. Okay, in one report you can show what is the profit. In another report you can show your prediction in the future. By next year, by this time, what may be the expected trend, that you can show in another report. So you can collect a different kind of reports and you can make everything in a single page, that is called dashboard, that you can do very easily and very effectively using Power BI. And incorporating AI capabilities into everything is wanted today. Okay, that you can do with your Power BI facilities, right? Why and what for the BI is used? As I said, for preparing reports and for preparing dashboards. Okay, and we are going to see what is exactly report, what are the different kind of reports we can generate, and how to prepare a dashboard, everything in the later classes. Okay, and next, this Power BI is providing, it is working in a different modes. Okay, there are three modes in which Power BI is working. One is as a simple desktop applications. You can download Power BI from a Microsoft website and you can use it as a free version, okay, in your machine, and using which you can connect Power BI with even Oracle and SQL server, even a cloud-based server. Whatever the data source you want to use, you can use even with the freewares, right? And the second version is, it is available as a website. Okay, and using web server, you can easily connect with the data source, analyze, visualize, and you can share your data, or if you want to collaborate on different data sources, you can do that. Is also possible with the Power BI's website. And the last one is, we should have everything in our hand today. No, that is the expectation of the end user. So this Power BI is also available as a mobile app that you can use in your Android phones and iOS phones. Okay, so these are all the three different modes in which we can avail Power BI services.